Hi there, it's Brianne with Buildfire. In this session, we'll explore how to effectively manage your user access and login settings within the app. These settings are essential for controlling how users log in and what legal terms they agree to before proceeding. Let's begin with the login screen. This is your app's welcome mat. It's where first impressions are made, so visual customization is important. You have the ability to upload your company logo, control its size, and even set a custom background. This background can either be a solid color or a custom image, and you can adjust its opacity for the right look and feel. For the login form itself, you can customize the input field colors using text and borders. You can also choose whether to display icons within the input fields, and if enabled, adjust their colors as well. When it comes to your login button, you can tweak both the text color and the corner radius, giving you full control over its style and appearance. Now, let's explore sign-in options and session management. Your app can support multiple sign-in methods to suit different user needs. By default, you can allow users to log in with a username and password managed within the platform. Alternatively, if you're using an external authentication system, you can configure custom single sign-on. You also have the option to integrate third-party sign-ins like Apple ID, Facebook, or Google. These can be turned on or off based on your preferences, and each integration can be edited or removed at any time. For managing user sessions, you can define how long users stay logged in. Choose whether the session ends when the app is closed, or set an idle timeout where the users will be logged out after a period of inactivity. You can also customize the message that appears when users are logged out due to session expiration, including the title, body text, and the dismiss button label. Lastly, you can choose whether to allow or restrict multiple sessions for the same user across different devices. Next, we have the access code settings. This provides an optional layer of security or exclusivity for your app. You can choose to enable an access code, then enter a specific code that users must provide before accessing the app. Once activated and saved, this feature helps restrict entry to approved users only. It's important to note that this access code feature will only function once your app is fully published. In this final section, we'll look at your privacy and terms settings, crucial for compliance and user transparency so your app can successfully be published into app stores. You can choose to use the default privacy policy and terms, or create your own by enabling custom settings. If creating your own, you'll be able to define the text for the acceptance checkbox, such as I agree to the terms, customize the error message users see if they don't accept the terms, and edit the text for the continue button after acceptance. You can also write or paste in your full privacy policy using a rich text editor or select from a template if available. Once your policy and terms are set, you can save your changes or reset everything back to default if needed. And that's a wrap on user access. These access and login tools give you the flexibility to control how users interact with your app, while also protecting your brand and user data. From customizing your login screen to defining secure sign-in methods and legal agreements, everything you need to manage user access is right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching.